Have you ever tried to screen record your low-end PC with OBS application, but your CPU will just simply not allow it because it is constantly working in 100%? Today, I'm here to help you out about this, and this is Tech Talk. Yo, how you doing guys? This is Ami Levine, and in today's video, I will give you best OBS settings for low-end PCs, as well as some tweaks to boost your performance, but also some of those YouTube policies as of today for using other creators' contents and videos. So stick with me till the end to find it all out. Let's get into it. As for the first part, let's head over to OBS on your PC. After you open OBS, you want to click on File and then Settings. Now at this point, you want to go to Output section. As long as this tutorial has nothing to do with the streaming, we don't want to mess with those settings. So in the recording section, on the recording quality, you want to click on Indistinguishable Quality, Large File Size. And for the recording format, you're honestly free to do MP4 or MOV due to your personal preferences, but I will give you a chart about all the information that what is best for you. And the encoder section is also different by your PC components, but I will suggest you to go with Software X264 or NVEC 264 if you're using an NVIDIA graphic card. Now you just simply want to head over to Video section. This part honestly doesn't have that much of a complicated settings. For the resolution, you just want to simply go with 9020 to 1080p. And then you want to just put down a scale filter to sharpening scale 36 samples and put FPS to 60. If you're still struggling with your CPU, you just want to head over to watch my other video about dealing with low-end CPUs and how to get the best performance out of them. I will pin that video on the upper right corner, but for now, let's talk about YouTube's fair use policy. There's basically 4 important rules for YouTube fair use guidelines and using other creator contents, which you want to make sure you're following every one of them. First one is to keep their footage in your video as short as possible, and 15 seconds and shorter would just sound fine. Secondly, you just want to add your unique elements to the video and just don't simply copy their work. Thirdly, using others' footage would be alright as long as it does not cause losing money to the original owner. And last but not least, just to be cautious, it would be better for you to ask the original footage owner for their permission. So as long as you take care of these guidelines, you're free to use other creators' contents. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate if you can sub to my channel. Peace.